It's been a long time since we've gone spearfishing, but apparently it's very much a possible thing to do here. So we're all suited back up again. The water is quite cold, but I think we'll be all right. And we've got some fishing rods as well. And our friends have already gotten a head start on us, but we are gonna try our hands at fishing. We have all the fishing gear, so if we can't catch fish today, then I think we might just quit. Having fun yet?
We can raft up and we can fish from the dinghy.
Yeah? Make a catamaran. Yeah.
Boom. Alright then.
Alright, and then we've got like a little plastic case to put them all in.
So Den is going to go in the water to spearfish, and I'm going to stay in the dinghy and practice my line throwing. Norwegian style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Kika's probably going to catch more fish than we are. Like flip it up until it clicks. Yeah. And then like bring it back, watch the end of the hook. Yeah. And then as you kind of flick it, you let go with your finger so that you let go of the line too. There you go.
Didn't go anywhere.
And then you start spinning.
Do I have to flick this back?
No, it automatically does it when you start grinding.
Oh, so I have to keep it there.
There you go. There you go. And then you just hold on. Yeah.
It's not
pretty straightforward.
Yeah, pretty straightforward indeed. Wait, where's my line? Oh, all the way down there. Oh, I got a fish. No, I'm kidding. We just hang out.
Yeah. Did you just, was that you wiggling it?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it's heavy.
Yeah,
so
that's the lure.
I must have gotten something.
No. I haven't even put my hand in the water yet. I don't even know how cold it is.
It's pretty cold.
And I'm a little bit nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because I don't like cold water. But I'm wearing all of my neoprene gear, so
you'll be okay.
This should be fine. It's not too bad, actually. I think I'll survive. I'm gonna have to take some weight off, we'll see. I'm a little on the heavy side.
How's the visibility?
Well, I think we're at about 30 meters of water, so I can't really tell.
Yes, Stig and I are going to hang out and throw some lines.
It's a bit scary with fishing from a inflatable boat.
Right? Let's not poke a hole in it.
Yeah.
You caught something! You caught something! I think we're gonna go around to the other side and see. The visibility on this side's like really limited, maybe 2 meters. It's hard, like by the time you see something flutter away, and they're not, I only saw fish maybe like that big.
Yeah.
We'll see. It's not that
young.
cold though. It's not that cold. No. With all this neoprene, I need more weight for only that first 10 meters.
Over there?
Yeah, like the same little rocks but on the, like through the cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've gone freediving. I saw some fish. I'm not sure what they were, but they weren't really big enough to spear, I don't think. I'm gonna take a break for a little while. Maybe we'll go get the other fishing rods and keep hand fishing from shore while we drink some beers. But yeah, it's really pretty underwater. Once you get down past like that, maybe 5 to 10 meters, maybe. Starts to, it's like really blue and like really pretty, and like there's all sorts of cool like seaweed and stuff, but
I'm just getting tired. The GoPro won't see very well because it's still kind of murky. It's clearer, but it's not clear enough.
How's your fishing adventure going?
It was interesting. I mean, I wasn't really expecting to catch anything. Well, I wanted to, but I was more challenging myself to see how far can I throw this today.
If I can cast.
But I'm getting better at it. It's actually not too bad. But
getting the hang of it?
Yeah, I got a bit bored
Yeah,
quite quickly because that's all you can do is just throw it, bring it in, throw it. I thought at some point I thought I caught a fish, but it was a whole chunk of seaweed. It was just enough to create some tension. I was like, oh my god, I have to get everything ready, get the knife ready, and I was like pulling it in. It was just like this giant thing of seaweed.
Aw. Yeah,
But
I feel like it
alright.
might be time for like some beers and maybe fishing from shore. Or,
Yeah, maybe fishing from the boat. All right, yeah, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Down, yeah.
Where you get the cold,
Right.
you get the seawater, so you get all the, like it tastes the fish, because a lot of fish like to be down on the,
Yeah.
on the bottom.
Yeah, that makes so kind of like stop and hover and actually do some deep water fishing.
I would do that. I would look at the map and I would see on the continent, so where you have the bottom coming off.
I don't know what it is with us and rescue boats, but they knew who we were too. They were driving by just to come through and check on everyone, but then they did a bit of a detour to come over and say hi to us because he realized who we were. But he saw that we were out spearfishing and gave us some more tips about fishing up here. Spearfishing I don't think is going to be something we do very often. Most of the fish are down deep. Cod and stuff are down at 100 meters or something. So we'll probably do more line fishing in the future. More coffee and warm, less wet fishing.
But he gave us some good tips.
He gave us some good tips about some fishing spots nearby and some places to stop on our way north. And yeah, we'll have to try some of those out. Hopefully, I'm determined we're going to become better fishermen. It's quite embarrassing how few fish we've actually caught in the last couple of years. We really need to get better at it. I think I'm going to get out of my suit.
Yeah.
And then maybe we might try some line fishing off the boat.
Good idea.
Oh, there it is. Well, he's hooked.
Two little fishes.
We already caught a few fishes. Fishes? Is fish plural? Fish?
I think
A few
it's just
fish?
singular.
We already got a few fishes. We're going to kick it up a notch and take the dinghy over to the other side. We weren't very successful spearfishing. We took the dinghy around the corner and we're going to try to catch a few more out in the deeper water. So hopefully we'll be successful. We did catch a few though, so that's good.
They're just really little.
They're just small. So since there are 4 of us, we're going to try to get a little more, and then maybe we can cook them later. I'm gonna throw like here.
Yeah. Nice. Now we wait. Ooh. Nice. Oh wow. That did not go.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
Oh.
All right, nice and slow. Just keep tension on. No, that's fine. You want to let them wind out a little bit. Nice and slow. Just like wind in, put some pressure on. Wind in, put some pressure on. There you go.
Because
Slow,
he pulls
smooth.
and he gets tired.
Slow, smooth.
Oh my
Holy
gosh!
crap.
Look at
All
that.
right, bring them in the boat, and then you know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Bring them in the boat.
I can't.
Yep, bring them in the boat.
How do I?
Bring the fishing rod back. Pass the fishing rod back to me.
But how do I pick him up? Do I
Yeah, bring him in the boat. Get your hand down in his mouth and put him in the bucket.
inside his gills?
Yeah, or in his mouth.
He's gonna bite
Quickly,
me. He's gonna bite me.
quickly. That's why you're wearing gloves.
But
Quickly.
how do I? But how do I pick him up? How do I grab him?
Grab the end of the line and just bring him in the boat. 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right, I got the rod. Yeah, right through there.
Don't film that. I'm gonna need mentally to get some more practice.
And it will be alright.
Oh, there's dolphins right there.
Dude, I was not expecting to see dolphins up here.
No, that's crazy. Right by the rocks. Look at that. They get so close to the rocks too.
Whoa.
They're probably just feeding, yeah.
I wish I had the zoomy lens.
Yeah.
That's what
You're trying to-
close to the shore.
You're trying to hit land or something.
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe it's a fish.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Big one.
All right.
Nice and fish.
Yeah. All right, let's reel in our little buddy line there.
Yeah.
When your best still doesn't make their mark.
Look at this. We actually caught quite a bit of fish today between on the boat and on the dinghy on the other side of the island. So now we're going to fillet them and probably start a fire and cook fish on a grill. We're gonna invite Thomas and Renate to eat with us because we have a lot of food.
You can't forget, it's not the end, and it will be alright.
So we were thinking, wow, nice.
It's
Like these ones are like good size.
Yeah.
These two.
Yeah, but they're all decent size. Yeah. That's it called.
That's the code because it has the.
This one's the cod?
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, cool. We caught
the
this
brown
one
one. Yeah, I
off
think
the
so.
boat, off the sailboat.
Oh yeah.
The only ones we caught over there were the 3 that look like this.
Yeah.
Or the
Yeah.
2 big ones in this one.
That one's nice size. Wow.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
same.
This one's Kikas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So how do you
Yeah.
think we should cook them?
Yeah. What I was thinking, since you asked what are good ways, there's sort of 2 schools, 2 ways to do it. So either in aluminium foil, then you get it more of a lot more moisture. It's like really juicy meat, or grilled. You know, you get the smokiness and you get it's a bit drier meat. But I think do both. So
Yeah.
We've got both.
we have aluminium.
take some of this.
Yeah.
What's this called?
What's it called in?
Juniper?
A juniper.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Just like.
you break like the new ones, yeah?
Just what you can find, so you can take the whole.
Yeah.
Yeah, juniper's good. And the
Yeah.
juniper berries you don't eat, right?
No.
Yeah.
But you can have them in the fish. That's no problem. I think. Like flatten it a little bit. Yeah. And then let's hope he doesn't slide down. The twig bit me. You pretty much just put in as many as you can fit without stabbing your fingers too much. Nice.
Take it in. Don't eat that.
Oh, it's okay. It's no issue if she.
Should I cut the tail?
Yes,
Yeah.
I think so.
I'll hold this right.
I'll find a big one.
For the next 2.
Ooh.
on.
Yeah, perfect.
It looks so burnt on the camera. It just looks black.
Yeah, just wait till it's open then. I think that will look better.
Right. So you're gonna have like a medium well or a rare or a really rare. I'm just gonna like take some. So good when you cook on the fire.
Yeah.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Very good.
Just watch so don't get cold on them.
We'll take ships blowing on the fire.
Yeah.